You ever get so tired having to put the body clips on those small little posts there? Oh, it's out of some of this. So, let's see what I've done. I've put a bracket on the rear, I've put a hinge there, and just give me a second to hook it up. Okay, so that's when it's just hooked up with my little winch there. Don't forget to have your winch blanket on hand. Right, so that's just hooked up there, and then that's that. So then, to put it off, okay, then just close it down, and that sits in place there. That sits in place in the back, as well as the other one somewhere there. And that's it for a hinging system.